Okay, welcome to the next drawing tutorial. So today we are using a 6B pencil and I'm going to show you how to neaten the edges of your shapes. So all I want you to do is just shade around the outside of this little circle here. You can use a disc or something, a coffee cup, to make something like this. And I want you to go over the edge of the lines just a little bit, just draw freehand. Don't worry about it, because we're going to make a mess of this and then we'll fix it. So go ahead, draw around the outside, and then what we're going to do is we'll add onto this layer thereafter. So just draw through here. And then what we're going to do is deeper shade here, press a little harder with the pencil, and then get a little bit lighter as you go into the centre of the circle. It doesn't have to look perfect. And just make sure that you leave a little gap just in the middle right there, such as this. So I'm just going to go around the outside just once more, put a bit of a deeper pencil there. Alright, sure. So we've got something like this. So now, because this pencil right here is a B6 pencil, we should be able to just smudge everything around the outside. And we can go ahead and just add a little bit more shade in there if you'd like to. Remember, when you get to the centre, lighter. And then just go again. Just around the edges, just as such. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our eraser and go ahead and just get rid of that in the middle. Just as such. And now we'll go again. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and just do some of that white shading just up at the edge right here. Just lighter towards the middle. So you should have something roughly like this. Now it doesn't need to be perfect, but what I'm going to show you is, because some people when they draw they kind of go off the lines. So now that we've done all of this and we've completely messed this up, what you should see is on the outside you should have little smudges where maybe your finger's gone around the outside a little bit too much. So all we're going to do to fix that is just take the eraser and just go around and we'll just go ahead and remove that excess that we don't need. This is also going to sharpen up your drawings, so the lines stay inside of the sphere. This also makes everything look a little bit neater as well, especially when you're working with pencils that are quite soft. So with me even brushing this, I'm kind of spreading this outwards a little bit, but that's fine. As long as you've got more neater lines just at the side, it shouldn't matter. So the next thing that you can do now is you can go ahead and take a HB pencil and just smooth out some of those lines that perhaps you erased over, and this will give you a little bit more of a sharper edge. Just going around the outside there, and you see now if I've done this side with that pencil, it's a lot neater than what it looks like on this side, if you can see that one. So yeah, I've made this a little bit deeper as well, just on the side of the sphere. And now you can see the difference between the two sides if I place my pencil there. One side very neat, oops, stay. One side very neat, and the other side is very bumpy and unkept. So that's the tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.